Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am doing my July Boxycharm. I always forget which month I'm in. I really do. It's pretty sad. Okay, so again, I like this month, so I want to do it on video. There was a few months I was like, all right. But I really like what I saw in this box, so I want to do a video on it. And it's really just some eye stuff and my lips, so the rest of my face is done. Let me move in a little. But we're going to start off with this ELEMIS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Nourishing, let's take a look at it. Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. And let's see what it says. Get a shot of Green Goddess with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. And that goes for $35. Again, guys, you can't go wrong with Boxycharm. You're getting full-size items for like $20. If you do it, I do it every 3 months. I think it's like $19, $20. If you do it once a month, I think it's like $25. But still, like this one item alone is $35. So right there, you're ready. It's just amazing. Okay, I'm gonna move on. So I did do this mask earlier today. I did feel good. My skin felt really soft, and yeah, good mask. And I'm sure my daughter's gonna be getting their hands on that too. Okay, so next is this Butter London. I just like, first of all, I just love the packaging so much. Like, this is so me. It's like rustic, natural, and the little delicate flowers around it. A little mix. But beyond that, this is Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Aren't those colors like so pretty? They're like also like just, I don't know, like natural colors, you know what I'm saying? I love it. So pretty. Again, do I do the blue or the green? I think I'm going to do a little of the green today though. That goes for $32. Okay, next is this LUXIE brush set. Let's see. These are eco-friendly brush sets. These are so nice. Wow. Again, very like natural feeling month, if that makes sense. Rusticy. These are like, feel like they're made of wood or something, but they're eco. So let's see what it says. Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly LUXIE brush set. Apply foundation. Oh, this is a foundation one. I usually do like a flat one for foundation, but I'll try this for foundation. Blend your eyeshadow with the large blending. These feel so good. We'll be using that today. And precisely apply color to your crease with the LUXIE 246 Precision, which will be great for the eyelids, maybe even underneath. Who knows? Let's just go crazy and try it all. Okay, awesome. Gonna be using those. Those were $30. Already, what are we up to? I mean, really, $30, $60, $95, $67, $97 already, and I'm not done. I'm not done. We have an eyeliner here. We have a gel eyeliner from Appeal in Forest Green. Ooh, I ain't opening it. Okay. Ooh, really nice. Do I want to do this? I'm not good at the swatching. Oh, that went on nice and very green. So, it looks like we're definitely going to go with green today. That's what I say. And that goes for $21. And then last but not least is a lip gloss. Looks like it's my color too, so I'm really excited. This is from ALAMAR, sorry. This is from ALAMAR Cosmetics. A long-lasting thickening formula that conditions the lips while delivering high shine and full pigmentation. Wear it alone or over our new DES-NUDE liners. Okay. Gluten-free, talc-free, vegan, and always cruelty-free. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And that goes for $15. Did I tell you that the eyeliner went for $21? Okay, so let's get into this. I'm excited. Yay. All right, so I did the mask already, so we know how that went. Now I'm going to go into this beautiful eyeliner. I even just noticed the pink. Like there's, again, I love that there's so many different looks I could do. One day I could do with the blue. Another day I could do with the green. I could just stick to neutrals if I want. I could do pink. I mean, you could do a lot of different looks with this, let's be honest. So, what are we going to do today? Okay, there's no like transitional color. Because they're like kind of glittery. Not glittery, they're kind of shimmer, so I don't want to put shimmer. So I ran and grabbed this Tarte. It's like a neutral palette. It has mattes in it and shimmers, and that was actually in my last month's Boxycharm. So I'm just going to use that to just kind of do, I'm going to use 2 colors in there just to kind of get it going. I'm going to go in with this really neutral one just for all over. I did set my eyes with primer, and I did put a setting powder on there, but I'm just going to put this very, very neutral. And then I'm going to go in, and I'm going to use the same brush that they gave us because I also have my brush cleaner here if I really want to change the colors, but it's really not necessary because they're all very like neutral. So, but I'm just going to put a little here of this transitional color just to get started because it's matte. And I want a matte up here. I don't want a shimmer up there. Okay. This brush feels so good. I like use the same brush all the time, and I think now I'm going to start using this brush because it really feels good. Not just saying that. Okay, now I'm going to put this away. I'm going to get out my Butter London palette that came in this month's Boxycharm, and I'm gonna start with shimmers. I'm gonna start with Diva. Let me see. I'm gonna start with Diva here, and I'm gonna put that on most of my lid, and I'm gonna use their mirror that it comes with. Oh, every time I do that, it gets darker, so I'm not gonna put my mirror up high. Learn my lesson one too many times. When I look back at my video, I'm like, oh no. Hopefully this isn't ruining either. I always love these colors. I mean, I feel like I have a lot of palettes that has colors like this. Although this is kind of, I always use my fingers anyway. It's a little different actually, it's kind of nice. Okay, so let me clean my brush. Going with the lighter one, which is Enchantress. I'm not gonna say, I knew I was gonna. Enchantress. That's this color here. I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna use this mirror. You know what? I'm just gonna go with my finger for a second. There we go. I don't know, just easier for me when it comes to these shimmers. Okay, other side. Just the front, just the corner part of my eyelid. It's like really packing on. And my aging eyes. It is what it is. Okay, don't mind the air conditioner because I'm not going to turn it off. I usually turn it off, but it's so hot. So, because summer's here and I'm not complaining because I want it to come, so. But it's hot in here with all the lights, so I'm going to just leave the air on and I'm just going to talk a little louder. Okay, so now I'm going to go in Temptress. Why can't I speak? Temptress. I know the word and I can't say it now. I don't know how to talk and I don't know how to read. I'm going to put that in the corner and bring it up and along. Blending really nice. Loving this brush. Ignore my eyelid skin, just going here and there. Again, that's what happens when you're close to 50. But I'm not going to say that. I'm 49. I'm going to brace my 40s while they're still here. So. I'm in my 40s still. I mean, I am technically. Not lying. Okay. Really nice. I like to pat a lot my eyeshadow in. Maybe because I just don't like to see my eyelids getting pulled apart with all that extra skin. The freak, man. Okay. It's okay. It's really pretty. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna go back in with my skinnier brush and I'm gonna go into that green star. You can read that one, star. And I think I'm gonna go, normally I would go on top, but I might try that with the eyeliner. So I'm gonna go underneath with the green. I like the way it goes with what I'm wearing too, the coloring. That's pretty. Don't want to go too crazy. And now I'm going to go in with this gel. See, this is one of those things, I didn't take the paper off, but I guess it's just like when you sharpen it, you're just going to like sharpen that gold outside too. I'm going to go on top. Okay, this is more intense of green than the eyeshadow. Still pretty. Okay, I really like that. It's different, you know, adding a little color like that, but like a more natural color. It's like the forest. Okay, I really like that. Let me go finish my eyes with some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, my eyes are done and I think it looks so pretty. I really do. I think I like the way the little touch of green is like an accent and the rest is very neutral and natural, and yeah. So let's get on with the lip gloss. Okay, I just have a lip liner, my Pat McGrath liner in Supernatural. That's really light, but natural. That's really pretty. I like that. Okay, I actually really like this lip color. At first I thought it was a little too light, but it's not. It's very natural and it's very up my alley. So I really like it. I really love this month's Boxycharm. Very natural. All my colors, and yes, I really like it. So again, if you don't do Boxycharm and you like makeup, what are you waiting for? Do it. It's worth it. Just saying. Okay, so please subscribe if you have not. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And until next time, have a great day.